Hello guys, our menu for today is binukugang sabaw. And I will make salad, pipino salad. Where are you going down? Diba? Tayo ay magluluto. May salad na pipino. Later, I will put you vinegar. Oh, kamote. Where's the light? My cellphone is have a problem. Oh, di ba? Kamote at saka pipino salad, ha? Ma? At ako ay magluluto na, guys. This is how to cook. My God. There's no lights. And then I will put water. Di pa siya kumukulo, guys. Pakuluin muna natin at palambutin para sulit ang iyong sabaw. I get to design mas for watching. My God, my cellphone is no lights.